Welcome to RevGlue all-in-one website packages for affiliates. Are you an aspiring or experienced affiliate but struggling with the affiliate website design, development, hosting, affiliate network tracking, and management? RevGlue has developed multiple all-in-one affiliate packages to help you save time and money on affiliate website tech. Start your affiliate journey with RevGlue all-in-one affiliate packages and concentrate on making money. Overcome the technology barriers with an all-in-one tech package to get you up and running in just a couple of days. RevGlue offers UK shopping directory, coupons, daily deals, cashback, mobile comparison, broadband comparison, and product feed websites in these packages. RevGlue becomes your tech partner so you can concentrate on converting your customers and earning the highest commissions on each sale. Earn 100% commission on each sale from RevGlue directly and request cash out in your bank or PayPal account. So register free today at RevGlue and create your first affiliate project with all-in-one affiliate packages.